All right, good morning. Blue Nemesis was something a little different. All right. I got my Bintac T9 out here. Badass air rifle. And I'm about to do a sound test of this Dunny suppressor. So I'm just gonna get a quick clip, just a sound test of the difference. Let's see if I can set this up. All right. Now we're gonna run a couple with the suppressor on it. Run a couple right there. Now I hope you guys can tell the difference on that, man. There's a really big difference in the sound. With the suppressor off of it, it sounds like a regular 9mm, just about freaking firearm shooting, and it's an air gun. It's just so much pressure, so it's going to be loud. With the compressor on it, it sounds more like a backyard friendly, quiet little, regular little 22 caliber, not a 9mm.